Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gardening carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gorilla Carts GOR1400COM Steel Utility Cart. Gorilla Carts are designed to handle heavy duty. You don't have to worry about the heaviest work anymore when you have it in your garden. With its great technology, it is best to fit to pull up to 1,400 pounds. Thus, we highly recommend you to consider this brand if you always have tough materials to pull. Moreover, its steel supply is built with removable sides. Therefore, it's genuinely flexible as you can immediately transform the cart into the large flatbed. Then you can attach your flatbed with the lawn tractor easily. Finally, we guarantee its quality as its steel utility is strong, plus you can pull as fast as you like. Implementation of innovative frame design facilitates rapid and simple assembly while offering enhanced maneuverability, firmness, and ground clearance. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Marathon Dual-Wheel Residential Yard Rover Yard Cart. Marathon Dual Wheel is the most well-known garden cart. Its special features consist of air-filled wheels, lightweight, and its loop. A full line of the air-filled and level-free tire and wheel congregations for garden modern materials alongside its own industry driving trucks and push carts. This incorporates all-inclusive fit and definite match choices to suit each application. In addition, the ergonomic structure makes garden work a breeze with lower lifting exertion, simpler adjusting, and mobility. It's ideal for regular undertakings around the house for you. It's created to everything being equal and qualities. Rely on Marathon for quality, simple to introduce items at an extraordinary worth. At number 3, we have the Ames Lawn Buddy Lawn Gardening Carts 1,123,047,100. Are you planning to build more gardens around your house? You may need to store a ton of oftentimes utilized materials, things in the truck, trowel, cultivator, pruners, and so forth. Ames is perfect for putting away and shipping devices, supplies, and rewards around the house, garden, or work region. The top functions admirably as both a strong seat and a simple-to-utilize handle. With a huge inward stockpiling zone, this truck is intended for accommodation. Let us assist with your gardening work. No matter what, you might generally pull the cart to the region when you are working and every one of your devices are prepared to hand. The best part is that you can sit on the truck as you work. At number 2, we have the Max Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Gardening Carts. Seeking for a sporty cart? If you mostly spend your time outdoors, Max Sports Collapsible is the very best for you. It is designed with new innovation as it is foldable. The lightweight solid plan has a 150 pounds limit and is an absolute necessity to move overwhelming cumbersome burdens. Incredible for outings to the recreation center, outdoors, open-air games, planting, and substantially more. The accordion-style floor causes setup and separates a breeze. It overlaps effectively into its own convey pack for smaller capacity. This outdoor chair will make you spend your time a lot more fun. You can pet your pets like dogs for cats for a walk. What's cool is that Max Sports are collapsible. We bet you will love it as it is durable and it is easy to roll. Moreover, it is completely fine with storing heavy stuff. And finally, at number 1, we have the SuperDuty Lawn and Garden Toolbox on never flat wheels and 120 lb. The excellent working mechanism of this garden tool is due to its exceptional design and consistent performance. It is essentially an ultra-quality US-made cart. You are assured to safely move different items to the yard in a comfortable and convenient manner. The wire lift plate capacities like a two-wheel cart to help move and transport substantial or stumble things. Together with this, the removable front reap sack for included capacity or gathering flotsam and jetsam, and so forth. Additionally, it moves effectively to your worksite on 10 haggles in only 2 square feet in the shed or carport. Overall, it is perfect. Don't be hesitant to present this cart for your spouse, friends, parents, or grandparents if you have to carry many garden tools. They will find it the best gift for the upcoming special occasion like Father's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.